Good morning, my dear lovely patines. Welcome in science class. In the previous classes, beta, we have completed the reading of lesson 4, birds and their beaks. Okay, and now today we are going to do the exercise of lesson 4, birds and beak. So open your book and start writing the exercise. Okay. Yes, beta, this is the exercise of lesson 4. ठीक है, birds and beak. The bodies of the bird are light. तो आपने light पे टिक लगाना है. The large number of hair-like structures present on the body of the birds are called wings. Okay, this is called wings. Birds which can swim in water. जो birds water में swim करते हैं उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Aquatic birds. Okay. नेक्स्ट है बेटा, पैरेट हैज डैश टाइप ऑफ बीक. पैरेट की कौन सी है बेटा? कर्व्ड बीक होती है पैरेट की. हुक्ड बीक इज प्रेजेंट इन स्पैरो और ईगल. हुक्ड बीक इज प्रेजेंट इन ईगल. नाउ बेटा फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. प्रोटेक्ट विंग्स, webbed, pointed and beaks. Dash are the large structure attached with the help of strong muscles. Wings are the large structures. Okay. Now aquatic birds have dash feet which help them to swim in water. Webbed feet. यहाँ क्या आएगा बेटा? Webbed feet. Kingfisher has broad, long and pointed beak. The dash of the birds are designed according to the food it eats, the beaks of the bird. Some birds use their beaks to protect themselves. Protect. Okay. Wings, then webbed, pointed, beaks and protect. Small hair-like structures present on the bird's body, that is feathers. Okay. Next है help the bird to fly. Wings. Upward movement of the wings is called upstroke. Fluffy and soft feathers which keep the birds warm, that is down feather. Birds which swim in water, that is called aquatic. A-Q-A-T-I-C, aquatic. Feathers, wings, upstroke, down and aquatic. Okay. Next है बेटा, name the beaks shown in the pictures. तो फर्स्ट क्या है बेटा? दिस इज द हुक्ड बीक. दिस इज कर्व्ड बीक, CURVED, एंड दिस इज चीजल शेप्ड बीक, CHESCHISE, चीजल शेप्ड. Now match the following. Fruits and nut eating birds, grain eating birds, fish eating birds and aquatic birds, flesh eating birds. ठीक है, तो आपने इसके आगे लगाना है. ग्रेन ईटिंग बर्ड्स के आ जाएंगे बेटा 2 नंबर. दिस इज स्पैरो. फ्रूट एंड नट ईटिंग बर्ड्स, पैरेट. Fish catching birds, flesh eating birds and aquatic birds. Fish catching bird is this. Flesh eating bird, eagle, and aquatic bird is duck. 2, 1, 3, 5, 4. Now true, false. Write true or false. Wings keep the body warm. क्या आएगा बेटा? फीदर्स कीप द बॉडी वार्म, तो ये क्या आएगा? वॉल्स. Eagles have small, hard and pointed beaks. Eagles have hooked beak beta. So this is also false. Aerial birds have webbed feet. That is false. Swallow has a sticky beak. Swallow has a. That is true. Down feathers are fluffy and soft. That is also true. So beta, you have to learn and write exercise of lesson 4 in your book. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.